Hello friends, Iceberg out of Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to go over some very nice bike detailing and cleaning products brought to you by Wizard. We're going to start off, of course, you have your bike wash. This is a really nice, quick way, just a spray on foam rinse on here. You can really just get your bike nice and clean. No, it's not like having a power sprayer, but for that quick wash, this is perfect. Also, getting rid of all those bugs that get stuck to your bike, because we all know as big, tough bikers, we don't like bugs. So, Wizard's Bug Release will quickly remove that and any bug juice and splatter that may be on your bike. Mist and Shine is that wonderful, actual, nice detailer to your bike. This really adds a very, very nice shine, gives you that nice kind of shine and waxed, polished look to it, just right out of the bottle. And then, of course, you have the full protectant detailer as well that kind of finishes all off. So if your bike gets wet after that, it will just kind of bead off the bike. With the Mist and Shine, this stuff, people just swear by this stuff, and I'm one of them too. I really, really like the Mist and Shine. It is so nice that even a bald man would want to spray it on his dome to get that high profile gleam and shine. This is where I'm going to slow-mo the video as we actually watch this bald and beautiful idiot spray this directly into his face, and I want you to watch the moment that he realizes where he has gone horribly wrong as the burn settles in, as if Jack Burton looked into David Lopan's eyes. Let's all watch and enjoy this together. He's a big dumb idiot, ladies and gentlemen, isn't he? But we sure do love him around here. Let's give a round of applause for Jason Chandler. A round of applause for Jason Chandler. He can help you with all of your parts needs at the Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson parts counter. Make sure to come in. It is riding season. We all need some good cleaning products and detailers. We got the large sizes, and for those of you who feel like you do not have to compensate for something, we also have the small sizes available as well. So stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson today. Roll over to the parts counter. Talk to any of our parts professionals. They are all happy to help you out. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos. And always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.